What's up everyone, Dev2 here. So you're still at Emacs, and task number 6, which is the second last task, is undoing, and you have to input the command to undo. You can see there the greater than symbol is used to read into files. So you know the drill by now. CD to the root directory. So that's the command right there, as you can see on the screen. If you do an ls, you list the content inside the root directory, then you change the directory to the Emacs directory that you made. So it's 0x02 underscore Emacs. Then let me just repeat again the echo. If the echo is an inbuilt Linux command that prints out arguments as standard output, and the task for undoing is capital C-X space U. So you have to be very careful. It's C-X then space U, then you put the symbol to read in the file, which is the greater than symbol, then you write undoing, and with that you'll be able to achieve the objective of the task, and the checker will run. So yeah, happy coding.